Okay, to be able to use the GPU with DANEELpath, the first thing that we need to do is to download the NVIDIA drivers for your GPU. I'm in the same computer as in the Windows, so we have a GPU of 4 GB. But here in Linux, it surprised for me that now it's really easy to install the NVIDIA drivers. Basically, you just need to go to drivers, and here in more controllers, automatically is going to detect that I have an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, and by default is this of X or G is going to be selected. But if you change to the driver, which says private for because they are the NVIDIA controllers and tested, and it shouldn't appear server if we are in a computer. But basically, you just need to press here and then apply the changes, and you need to reboot your computer, and amazingly, the drivers are installed. So it's super easy right now to do it in Ubuntu. Okay, from the part of Python, what we need to do is to activate the environment if we haven't activated. Then what we are going to do is to install Torch. We say yes, and we are going to install the Torch version with CUDA support. Here we tested with Python 3.10 and with CUDA 11.8. Perhaps depending on your GPU, you need to use a previous version of CUDA or a later one, but this is the one that we tested. So we just need to execute this, and this is going to download everything that needs. It's going to take a little bit of time because it needs to download a lot of stuff. Okay, everything is finished, and now we are going to check if it takes the GPU, and as you can see, CUDA is available, and we have the device. So it's really easy right now to do the setup in Ubuntu. We don't need to change anything else. We can just do one test, and we just run the script again. Okay, you will see a cut over here because since I'm doing the recording with OBS, the amount of images passed to the GPU were so much and it crashed. But okay, this shouldn't happen if you're not recording or you have a bigger GPU, and because it's a 4 GB GPU. But okay, so long story short, now I reduced the number of images to put in the GPU, and as you can see, it's using the CUDA GPU for inference. It's really quick, and if you do the inference for whole slide images, the amount of time of difference between the CPU and the GPU, it's really high. So thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.